These smartphone companies, rather these brands, are a lot more connected than most people think. Oppo, OnePlus, Vivo, Realme, iQOO, on the surface, they look like separate players, but behind the scenes, they've always shared the same DNA. So yes, you're right, Oppo and OnePlus are basically the same family. They all trace back to one parent company called BBK Electronics, which originally housed the big two, Oppo and Vivo, and later OnePlus, which launched at around 2013 as this independent startup, but still very much plugged into the Oppo ecosystem. Now fast forward to 2018, and Oppo brings up a new brand, Realme. In fact, the first Realme device was called Oppo Realme before the company peeled off and started building its own identity. A year later, Vivo did the same thing with iQOO, launching the first phone as Vivo iQOO before giving it room to grow as its own brand. Then things got even more interesting. In 2021, OnePlus announced a deeper integration with Oppo, merging R&D and software teams behind the scenes, and by 2023, the big umbrella company, BBK Electronics, was officially deregistered. My guess is that it was a strategic move. By splitting the brands into separate companies, they avoid the all eggs in one basket problems. So if one brand gets caught in political crossfire, just like Huawei back then, the rest will stay safe. So today the structure looks like this. Oppo Group includes both Oppo and OnePlus, and they share almost everything internally. Now Realme operates independently, but still relies on some of the same tech pipelines as Oppo and OnePlus. Vivo stands on its own too, while iQOO is technically separate, but still taps into Vivo's hardware development. And that's why even though these brands are split on paper, when you put the phones side by side, the similarities are so obvious. The designs, the charging tech, the camera processing, the software, a lot of it comes from the same shared ecosystem.